Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add desktop shortcuts for your programs that you have installed. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So I know there's many different ways to add shortcuts to your desktop, many long ways, and as I know of one easy way, and I'm actually going to go over that easy way right now. For those of you who don't know, to add a desktop shortcut, you're going to click the Windows Start button right here, bottom left hand corner. Click on that. You're going to see all your programs on this list right here. And you can scroll up and down to see what program you want on your desktop. I'm just going to go with Outlook 2016. I'm going to hold it in with your mouse, and drag it to your desktop, and then just let go. Now, I already had Outlook on my computer. I just made a copy. But yeah, that's how you do it. Let's do it again. Hit the Windows Start button. Scroll down. Find the program you want. I'll do PowerPoint. Hold it in. Move it to your desktop and let go. Okay. One more time. Hit the Start button. Find a program. And we'll do Publisher. Hold it in. Move it to your desktop and let go. Now from here, you can hold the shortcut in and move it wherever you want. I like to keep mine on the left-hand side like this. I know some people have different variations. It's all up to you. User preference. You know, you can hold your shortcut in with your mouse and move them to the right-hand side, the left-hand side. You can have them in the middle. You can make shapes out of them. Make numbers out of them, make designs out of them, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. But I like to keep mine organized on the left-hand side here. So that's how you add shortcuts to the desktop. Now, I did a video on this, how to add shortcuts to the taskbar, but let me just do a quick review. The taskbar is this black bar at the bottom. So you want to hit the Start button. Same thing with the desktop. Find a program you want. Hold it in. Now instead of dragging it to the desktop, drag it to the taskbar, which is the black bar, and let go. And we'll do one more time. Find a program you want. We'll do Settings, hold it in, drag it down, and let go. So yeah, so that's how you add shortcuts to your desktop and to your taskbar. Let's say if you have applications on your desktop that you want to get rid of them. So to do that, you just right-click on whatever shortcut you want to get rid of. Right-click on it and hit Delete. It'll ask you if you want to delete it. It shouldn't ask you if you need permission. I'm on a work computer, so it should just say yes or no to delete. I'll pretend this is yes. And boom, it removed it. We'll do another one. We'll delete this duplicate. We'll hit Delete. And gone. So yeah, so that was just a quick video on how to add desktop shortcuts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I will catch you guys on the next video.